Hey guys, welcome back. It's Mel here. Today I figured I'd sit down with you guys and show you my FabFitFun box that I got. Winter 2025 box. So this is my fourth box. I have received the spring, summer, fall, and winter box. So my first year with the prescription? So my first year doing the subscription, and I've absolutely loved it. So I want to show you guys my box, what I got this winter, and just tell you a little bit more about it. If you're new here, hey, welcome. I do all things beauty. Make sure to hit subscribe down below if you want to stay up to date when I upload next. But let's check out this winter box. Alright guys, so FabFitFun is just like a fun little subscription that you get 4 boxes a year. You can pay per season, but I do the one-time fee for the whole year, and it saves you the most money that way. I was doing some calculation, and when I calculated all the products in this box, most boxes are up to $300 in value per box, which is crazy because let me tell you how much I paid for the yearly subscription. So the annual fee, if you pay all at once with taxes, came out to $233 for 4 boxes, and each box could be up to valued at $300. So you're basically buying 1 box and getting 3 for free. Like, it is just like crazy. What is nice is if you pay all at once, you get, I think you're called annual access. You get dibs to pick your choices before the other members. So that's also a little bonus to paying all at once for all your boxes for the year. So generally I think you get 6 choices, and in the app it's really nice. They give you a list. Your first page is like choice number 1, so you can pick from that, and then it pops over to the next choice. And so each section, like each choice, there's different items to pick from. You can like click on it, see what they're all about, and kind of like read about the product. In your first choice, if you see 2 items you like, you can pick the first one that will be in your box. You could also pick another choice in that first choice. It would just be extra money, and it shows you how much more you would pay if you want 2 of those items in that first choice. I also started doing 2 of the add-ons. I get the surprise seasonal candle, and I also get the seasonal dog bandana just because I thought it was like a really cute idea. If you have any more questions about it, just let me know down below. I would be happy to answer them. I'm gonna move back a little. So here you go, the box. Usually they're really themed, really cute. Looks like this one's like has cute little disco balls, and looks like they're featuring the Wow Factor Dream Coat Supernatural Spray, which I've used on my channel before. Really good product. So open up the box. I did open this up because I couldn't wait, and I just peeked through everything. So I'm gonna go through one by one each item. First product, again, I like to do the cute little dog bandana add-ons. They have all different kinds of add-ons, but I just thought this was cute. This one has cookies and gingerbread and little hollies. I thought that is so adorable. These are super cute. My other add-on I do is candles because I am a candle lover. I love candles. So this is the candle I got. So beautiful. Cocoa by Stone Christmas Night. Oh, that smells so good. I'm terrible at describing scents, but it's definitely a Christmas scent. Oh, I love that. That is so good. I love getting the cute little seasonal candles in my box. I try to like mix it up and pick between like houseware, skincare, hair care, makeup. I try not to pick all makeup, even though I love the makeup and they have like really good brands on there, but I try to like mix it up. The first product, I was so shocked to see they had this available because this is a very, very popular product and very expensive. The Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base all-in-one primer and moisturizer. I've seen this around for years. I've never purchased it just because it is a very expensive product, but you get a full size. That is crazy. So I've seen people use this as like their skin prep and primer all in one. Oh, it smells very lemony. That smells really good. I see the texture. I've always been really curious. Oh my gosh. Wow, it's very thick. The smell is really nice. It's kind of like really thick pudding. I'll have to try this out in one of my next videos, so stay tuned for me trying out my makeup products, but that is pretty awesome. Rich without feeling greasy. Our signature all-in-one primer plus moisturizer contains a blend of vitamins and replenishes skin with a moisturizing complex of hyaluronic acid, squalene, and shea butter to create a smooth base for flawless makeup application. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited to try that out. And the nice thing about the annual access, I've been like late to sign up when everyone's able to pick their products, and some of the really good products are like picked out or sold out. Like so many people already picked them for their boxes. Like you can't pick that item. So just keep that in mind, like the annual access, and get a notification as soon as it's live and pick your choices if you really want to like be the ones to get first dibs on the really good products. So excited to try that out. The other makeup product I got was by Ilia. This is the Sun Shift Cream Bronzer, weightless, seamless, natural warmth, green tea, and microalgae squalene. They had 3 shades on there, I believe. So some items you can pick like the color, like clothing. Sometimes like they'll have robes or pajamas. You can pick a color, or blankets. You can pick the color. Makeup, there's usually a few shades. So I got Eclipse. Skin that looks like skin. Follow the sun. The breakthrough bronzer creates healthy sun-kissed dimension. Like your skin is golden hour light. The weightless formula melts in and blends effortlessly, shifting from a silky cream into a seamless wash of warmth. Boosted with antioxidants, each swipe helps revive your skin's natural radiance. And again, these are like full-size products, and this is another expensive brand. Like, that is crazy. Wow, this is a huge bronzer. This packaging is really pretty. It's nice that it comes with a big mirror. That's a really pretty color. So I believe this one was like a peachy bronze. So I'm gonna swatch it actually. There we go. Can you see that? That looks like a nice color. I'm excited to try that. Like started out very creamy, but then it's like blends out to a nice kind of like powder feel. Wow, that's really neat. I'm excited to try this. The next item I saw and I was like, I have to have, I don't drink much alcohol anymore, but I'll have like a fancy drink here or there when we go out. And I love espresso martinis, and I saw these cute little glasses and I had to have them. I have not opened this yet, but this is from Roundhouse, and during the summer I did get a cute little serving dish from Roundhouse, and it is so nice, and I love their products. So these are cute glasses, set of 2, and they're in this really beautiful glass, green glass. And I figured I can try to make my own little fancy cocktail this Christmas. You know. Oh my gosh. How cute are these? And they're real glass. Wow. I love green. Like, that color is beautiful. You get a set of 2. Like, how cute would it be to make cute little martinis or little mixed Christmas drinks in these? These are so cute. Or even to have them like on display if you have like a coffee bar or something like that. So cute. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I don't think I looked at anything else in that choice category. I'm pretty sure I just clicked this and went on to the next because I knew I wanted these regardless. I knew I was missing something. I forgot that I had one more makeup thing. I'm sorry. I saw this set and I thought it was so cute. This is by Spectrum Very Cherry 6-piece makeup sponge and puff set. I love the colors, and I'm definitely in the need for more sponges and more puffs. Create the perfect base with our Very Cherry blending sponge and velvet puff set. Inspired by the chic cherry trend, this set is designed to help you bounce, blend, and set your makeup with ease. It includes 2 latex-free regular sponges for the face, 2 small sponges for the eyes and detail work, and 2 velvet puffs to finish your look. Vegan and cruelty free. Never heard of this brand, but everything sounds pretty cool. Also, to get in the holiday spirit, I love this Cranberry Fizz by Poppy. They had like a 12-pack at Costco and I had to get it. So good. Sorry, I got sidetracked. Okay, here we go. So the sponges, I love the colors. Definitely love a cherry theme. Very nice. I'll have to see how big they get when you wet them. And then the 2 little ones, that's cute. I've never seen anyone use like a little sponge for eyes, but it's an interesting concept. These look super soft and I love the point to them. Very nice. I could powder right now actually. So very velvety. Is it as velvety as my Beauty Blender? No, the Beauty Blender is still the most velvety a puff I've ever had. But these are a nice, great option as well. The one category, I didn't really see anything I liked, but they had a mystery gift. So I was like, you know what? I haven't tried one of the mystery choices, so I did the mystery choice. And I ended up getting the DPQ, the Best of ACV, Apple Cider Vinegar. Trial sizes of the hair rinse, the scalp scrub, and the hair mask, which these are like really good sizes. This is the hair rinse. This is the scalp scrub, and I'm sorry, I had to. I used the hair mask today because I just got my hair cut and I'm trying to grow it long and strong and I'm trying to keep it healthy. So I want to get back to doing my weekly, once a week hair mask, and I figured why not start with the new one that I got in my box. And the smell of that is still on my hair. And it smells so good. It's like a more of a manly smell, you know, like they're fresh, clean shower gels. I love that smell. Like a very clean, foresty smell. I just think men's like shower products and deodorants that smell so fresh and clean, I love. But that's what this reminds me of. And I've never had a hair mask the scent stay in my hair all the way through. Like I can still smell it on my hair, which is crazy. And I feel like it left it really soft and feels very hydrated. So I definitely really like that, and I'm excited to try these two other products. The hair rinse, if you haven't tried, apple cider vinegar is supposed to be like it's supposed to remove impurities without stripping natural oils. They're essential to the scalp and hair. I don't know if I've ever tried it. It's a shampoo substitute that gently removes impurities. Color locking technology. It does sound scary because it's like, what? I'm not shampooing, but... And then the scalp scrub sounds really good too because I like to take really good care of my scalp to help my hair. And this says naturally exfoliates and cleanses the scalp. Helps protect hair color. So that'll be nice to do once a week as well, or once a month. Just remove dead skin cells and product buildup while rebalancing the pH. So I was pretty happy with my mystery choice. And the last product, I did another mystery choice, but it told you what it was. It was a Spongelia? Is that what you call it? It was like a mystery sponge, and I ended up getting the Holiday Splendor Golden Pear. I've used these before, and they're basically a body wash infused buffer that you use in the shower. You suds it up and wash your body with it, and you can get, what does it say, 7+ uses. They're great for traveling if you don't want to travel with a bottle of body wash. They are fantastic. They smell so nice, and like you can buff your skin with it as well. So it's an all-in-one. Dermatologist tested, formulated with extracts of yuzu and vetiver to moisturize, soften, and cleanse. Built-in body wash for 7 luxurious showers. I'm curious to smell this. I do love a pear smell. Ooh, that smells really good. I thought it would be shaped like a wreath, but it's just a round sponge, which is fine. My body wash is almost empty, so I'll probably just use this next. Ooh, that smells very, very wonderful. All right, guys, so yeah, that was everything in my winter box. I've always loved all the products that I've gotten in my boxes. I might have had 1 or 2 items that just didn't really work for me, but generally, since you have to pick the products, you know yourself. Generally, I love all the products I get, and it's just so fun every season getting your box. I love it. It's such a great value. It's even a fun gift idea, and I just think it is a really great subscription, and I just have been enjoying it so much. So if you have any more questions about the boxes or how it works, let me know down below. I can give you more detail. Check out their website, and they also have an app, make it really fun. And if you have a friend that does it, they can send you, I think, like a free box or a discount code, which is really cool. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you get the FabFitFun box, and let me know what you've gotten from it that you've absolutely loved. Thank you again, and make sure you hit subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.